We are now getting the next aircraft off from the grass, the de Havilland DH-89A Dragon Rapide. Next off the grass, the Avro Anson 221, which will be joining up with the Rapide. That is the Meteor. Extremely attractive pairing here. The lead aircraft, the Dragon Rapide, has its roots in the de Havilland family of small airliners that played its own wartime role. Dates from 1941. It was built as a Domini 1. It took it over the top secret at the time naval base at Scapa Flow. Behind it, the Avro Anson, which started out with a frontline role, namely as a twin-engine coastal reconnaissance land plane for RAF Coastal Command. It was the see here is actually a post-war mark, an Anson 221 trailer. It was an example of this mark that was one of the last on RAF air taxi aircraft ferrying the ATA's ferry pilots to and from the ferry pools that were set up by that organisation in wartime. The ATA went on to ferry over 300,000 aircraft during its existence. It's perhaps most famed for the role played by female pilots. Researcher was Lady Rosemary Ducrow.
And they all had this idea of running on conditions on film. Died past those fighting aeroplanes. But that died rather hard, and we had to fight every step. And then you see, we had been falling.
The voice of the late Lady Rosemary Ducrow, one of the Air Transport Auxiliary's 166 female pilots who served during the Second World War. You see a Mark I Anson, the example that was in service at the outbreak of World War II, in the airspace building amongst IWM Duxford's collection. And loading behind him, Ben Cox in the Anson. But now it's time